and I am her father, and I am responsible for her, and I am the one that is all sufficient. All that she needs is in my glory, in my son Christ Jesus. He's the one who sanctifies you. You cannot live out the Christian life without him. You cannot sanctify yourself. You can't make your dress long enough or baggy enough. You can't make your sleeves come down long enough. You can't take the nail polish off your nails. You can't take the red lipstick off your lips. You can't slick your hair back and think, okay, now I'm sanctified. I'm holy. It is the Lord your God that sanctifies you. He set you apart by calling you to himself. He's the God of peace. He's Jehovah Shalom. And this peace is a complete peace. It's not a peace that's situational. It's not a circumstantial peace. It is not a temporary peace. It is a peace that sustains the saint of faith. When the saint is going through, and in their humanity they're weeping and crying, in their humanity they're broken, and their heart is aching, they are yet standing saying, God, I know you got me. God, I know you're able. God, I know you're sustaining me. God, I know you'll see me through this. God, I know you have a plan, a purpose, and a will for this. God, I know I'll be strengthened by this. God, I know I'll come out like fire out of this.
Come on.
God, I know I'll preach for you after this.
Yes.
God, I know I'll lay hands on people after this. God, I know I'll teach your word after this.
Speak it.
God, I know I will evangelize the lost after this. God, I know